In Saal Photo Portal, you have the possibility to add a personalized watermark to your photos as an extra protection of your work. Let's see how. First, we have to establish what our watermark will be. To do this, we need to go to the Sales panel and click over Watermark. Here we will find the different options. We can choose text as our watermark, which we will write here. This text will be displayed in a grid of the sizes specified here. We can also vary the opacity, the font size, and even the colors if we wish. Before saving, we can preview how the watermark will look like on our photos. We just need to click on Upload Image and choose a photo on which to test the watermark. And just like that, we can see a preview of our watermark. Let's try using an image as watermark. To do this, we need to select Image in Type. Now, the option to upload an image as our watermark appears. This image will be repeated in a chessboard pattern following the settings we choose. Let's click on Upload Image and choose our watermark. In our example, we are going to choose a logo. And here is the image we have chosen to be our watermark and the preview of how it will look on our photos. Once we are satisfied with the result, we click on Save. Now, we need to activate the watermark where we want it. Let's use it in a gallery. To do this, we just need to open the Gallery settings of the gallery where we want to apply the watermark. We will see that many options appear. Here is where we can activate our watermark in the gallery. Let's activate it and save. Now, we are going to open the gallery to check how our watermark looks like. And here it is. We can also apply the watermark to our projects. Let's go to the Projects panel. And just like in the galleries, we need to open the project settings of the project to which we want to apply the watermark. Click on Show Advanced Settings and activate the watermark. We click on Save. Let's check how our watermark looks on our photo book. And just like that, we can add a subtle touch of personalization and security to our projects and galleries in Saal Photo Portal. All the features we explain on this video may change and expand in the future, as we are constantly working on improving Photo Portal. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Now, it's your turn.